I would have no hesitation in recommending working with Design Scapes under Sina's leadership. Just a great experience for our family to get through this project. And we started looking around on the internet and just trying to find some people that had experience in the area that understood what we were looking to do. And also the really important part of this for us was to find a firm that was a design and build firm. Working with one place, all in-house, you don't have a bunch of subcontractors, it works out really well, and his firm really popped out.
Having everything under one roof was a big deal for us because, number one, Sina and his team, they all know each other, which is helpful. So you're not dealing with, like the prime and subcontractors.
They understood that this was our space, this is our home, and they wanted to leave the worksite clean every day so that we could get out. We have children, we have a dog. They made it very comfortable for us to be here throughout the entire work process.
When we needed something changed, the Design Scapes crew was very responsive. They'd show up the next day, they'd get stuff done. For us, it was very helpful to have it all under one roof and really just have one point of contact to deal with, which was very, very much a pleasure. Our lifestyle, we're parents and we've got some small kids, and so during the day, the backyard is playground at times, and there's a lot going on. When the sun's out, having that available daytime and night has been really allowed us to get a lot more out of our investment in the backyard and have it be an all-around asset for us to use. And the technology was very helpful because he would send us ideas and renderings along the way, and we started to arrive at the final design and where we wanted to go.
I think one of the other things that sets Design Scapes apart is the follow-up after the project's completed. Sina called up weekly, monthly after to check and make sure that things were functioning properly and that the project had worked well. We had a couple places where there needed to be some modifications, and his team came out and we scheduled time to come and make those fixes months after the project was completed. So I think that's really valuable to have that relationship, that it's not just a one and done, it's an ongoing relationship, and if there's further modifications, they're going to be the first people we call to come in and add to the project and make it a little bit broader as needed.
We found Design Scapes in Sina, and we really wanted to find someone we could work with that was on the same page with our tastes and that would understand what we were trying to accomplish, both from a budget and a timeline standpoint. We felt comfortable with him and his approach. I liked the fact that he was sort of tech-enabled. He came on the first day with his iPad, and he showed up and he had all his gear, and we walked around the property.
The collaboration was there. The respect of the space was there. It's really fantastic for us to have been able to work with the team.